Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today, I'm going to show you the disassembly process of the MacBook Air M2, model A2681. This video is for educational and repair training purposes. Let's begin. Before we start, make sure the MacBook is completely powered off. Remove all external devices and place the laptop on a clean, static-free workspace. Use P5, T4 and T3 screwdrivers, some plastic pry tool, and a suction holder. Start the process by removing the 4 P5 screws from the bottom case. Now place the rubber suction cup on the corner of the back cover near the trackpad side, not near the hinge, and pull gently. This will create a small gap, then insert a spatula or plastic pry tool into the gap. Be careful not to press too deep, as the battery is close to the lower panel, and avoid putting pressure near trackpad flex cables. Work slowly around the edges to keep all internal parts safe. The tool will act like a lever between the chassis and the back cover, helping to lift the back cover gently without bending or damaging anything. Do not insert the pry tool on the hinge side. Once you hear the 4 clips release on the other 3 sides, lift the back cover upward to remove it safely. Well done. You are successful. And now, here is the inside view of the MacBook Air M2. Now, you have to remove carefully all the connector brackets from the motherboard. Use T3 screwdriver to remove the bracket screws. Keep the screws and brackets safely for reassembly, as these screws are very small and easy to lose. After removing all brackets, first disconnect the battery connector. Then carefully unplug the trackpad, Thunderbolt, MagSafe, antenna, display and sub-PCB connectors one by one, handling each flex cable gently to avoid bending or damage. Now use T4 screwdriver to remove all screws holding the motherboard, and then carefully lift the motherboard out. Lift the trackpad side of the motherboard slightly first, and then gently push it toward the trackpad side to free it from the chassis. Congratulations! The motherboard has been successfully removed. Now it's time to reassemble the motherboard. Begin by carefully positioning the motherboard back into the chassis, aligning it with the screw holes and connector points. Gently slide it toward the hinge side until it seats properly. Once aligned, reinstall all the T4 screws to secure the board in place. After tightening the screws, reconnect each flex cable one by one, starting with the sub-PCB, Thunderbolt, display, trackpad, MagSafe connectors, etc. Make sure every connector is firmly seated and properly locked. Reattach all the bracket pieces with their tiny screws using the T3 screwdriver. After confirming that all connectors and brackets are secured, place the back cover on the device. Press along the edges until all clips snap into place, and reinstall the bottom screws. The reassembly is complete.